Why is the government blocking a lot more online content than before? So hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me. Now, this news says that the Indian government is blocking a lot more online content than before, around 24,000 blocking orders in 1 year, which is almost double compared to the last year. Now, most of these blocks are happening on platforms like X, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Now, what is the background? Why can the government do this? The government has the power to block online content under Section 69A of the IT Act 2000. Now, this is used when content is seen as like threatening the national security, spreading violence of or riots, fake or misleading information. The aim is to keep internet safe and maintain public order. Now, why are the blocks increasing day by day? The rise of AI and AI generated content and deep fakes, that is also one of the reasons why it is happening. Fake social media images spreading quickly on social media, and more complaints from users and agencies. So yes, AI and deep fakes are a big reason. But is it only about AI and the fake content? Not exactly. This is where the things get a bit more complex. Governments may also block content that is politically sensitive, posts that could criticize policies or leaders, information that may create unrest or panic. Officially, it is about safety and order, but in practice, there is always a debate about whether some content is blocked for control or convenience of those in power. Important is that this does not mean all the blocking of this content is wrong. It just means that the balance is very important. Now, there are multiple dimensions of it. The first is the security dimension. So, when we talk about security, this helps stop fake news, riots, and harmful propaganda. Then there's a technological dimension. AI and deepfake make misinformation more dangerous. Then there is a freedom of speech dimension. Now, see, too much blocking can limit people's right to express opinions. Then there is a governance and transparency dimension. Blocking orders are often not fully public, raises questions. Then there is a platform responsibility dimension. Now, what is the platform's responsibility? Social media companies must follow government orders but also protect users' rights as well. Now, the core issue is it's a balance between two things: security and public order and freedom of or speech and expression. Too much of either side can create problems. Now, this becomes highly relevant for UPSC, Polity and Governance IT Act, Section 69A, role of government. Again, very important. This becomes highly important for GS Paper 3, GS Paper 4 ethics, and for essay topics also this becomes highly important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.